Rolling up to the middle of the block now, a 1966 Ford GT40 Mark I road car, a car that sent shockwaves through the collector car world just on the announcement that it was coming to Mecum Kissimmee, John, and here it is, up for sale.
Well, and this was the car that Ford Motor Company wanted to take to Le Mans and beat Ferrari. And the GT40 program did exactly that. And not only did they do it, Bill, in 66, but they did it for the next 3 years, for a total of 4 years, 66, 7, 68, and 1969. The Ford GT program won Le Mans, cementing for all time the significance of the GT40 program. And this is a street legal version of that car.
And the thing that I find most impressive is they won Le Mans in 66 and 67. Of course, in 66, first, second, and third. But Ford pulled out of the program at the end of 67, and everybody said, well, that'll be it for the Ford GT. It never went again. John Wyer took over the Ford GT program in 68 and 69 and won it those 2 years. And those were not Ford team cars. And the car that won in 68, it's the same tub that won in 69, and that had never been done before.
6 million. 6 million.
Now 6 million.
Yep.
Now $6 million.
You're out. You want to see where it goes at this point while you're on the phone, or you want to?
All right, 289 cubic inches, 4 Weber carbs, ZF 5-speed manual transmission, 4-wheel disc brakes,
we appreciate it. Thank
real
you so
wire
much.
wheels, and only just a few minor modifications to make this car street legal.
Borani wire wheels. We see the bid get to $6 million. They only built 30 of these, or 31, depending on the documents that you read.
625.
One owner for more than 30 years, and it's been in hiding essentially for that amount of time.
6,500,000 out of bed. 66,500 negative 500. 6,200,000, 6,500,000, 6,500,000. 6,265 negative 5 to bed. 6,200,000, 500 negative 5 to bed. 6,265 negative 5. 6,500,000 negative 500 bed. 6,500,000, 6,500 negative 2 to bed. 5 to bed. 6,500,000 out of bed. 6,265 now 6,500,000. 6,500 negative 5 to bed. 6,200,000, 6,500,000, 6,500,000, 6,200,000, 6,500,000, 500,000 out of bed. 6,200,000, 6,500,000, negative 6,200,000. 6-3, 6,000,004. You're out here and you're out of the 6,000,003, 6,000,004. Now 4, negative 6,000,004. Now 400, negative 6,3, 6,4. Down forward, negative 3, 4.
Well, certainly the competition success of the car is gigantic to the demand of this car. But on top of that, the aesthetics, perhaps one of the most attractive.
And it's for sale now.
And as I say that, the crowd goes crazy here. The reserve is off at $6,300,000.
This car, John, has never been in an accident or suffered any kind of damage. Restoration performed and very well documented by RUF Automobiles in Germany.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
And $6.3 million is the bid.
6,400,000. Paul, you want her? 6,000,004. I have 6 yes. 6,400,000. I have 6,003. 6,400,000. Anybody else? Last call. I have 6,003. 6,400,000. Kissimmee, let's make some noise.
So there we have it. What a payoff. The 66 Ford GT40 Mark I road car just sold for $6,300,000.
$6.3 million. Get a load of that car. It has just changed hands here at Mecum Kissimmee for the first time in decades.